Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So this is an interesting little video clip I wanted to share with you guys. On my way home today driving, I saw some of these spy vehicles in my town, which I never seen one in my life here. I always see them in major cities. So I want you to check them out here. Here comes one right here. If you can see on the left-hand side. I have no idea what it is. What do you guys think? It's interesting though. And then trying to figure it out, it kind of looks like it'd be the new Tahoe, the redesigned Tahoe. It kind of has that size. So this one passed, and then when I rounded the corner, there was a line of 4 more. So I'll share that clip with you guys. So a little interesting, just to kind of see what it is. Of course, it'll be revealed at the auto show, so we'll all know. But they caught my attention, and I think everyone around me too was kind of like awe about it. Just because you don't see that kind of stuff here in this small town. Like I said, I've never even seen one. I just seen them in pictures. So I'll go through this light here to the right, and I'll show you. I think they're all the same vehicle. Tell me what you guys think. Maybe different trims or whatnot, but they all have that Yukon Tahoe stature. It was a pretty good sized vehicle. And I don't think Honda's redesigning any cars, this year, like the Pilot, maybe in a couple years or something like that. The MDX just kind of went through that. So just kind of curious to see what it is, see what you guys think, what it could be. So go through this stoplight here and to the right. Okay, so you'll see it on the left-hand side coming up here against that curb. You can kind of see it right there. There's 2 right there. I'll blow them up here. So tell me what you guys think. I mean, it could be like the new Aviator. I'm not even sure, but I just thought it was interesting. I wanted to share that with you guys. Like, it caught my attention for sure, just driving around, seeing these cars all covered up. Nobody knew what it was. So, yeah, I thought it was a cool little thing. My dash cam picked up. So share that with you guys. So leave a comment below what you guys think it is. Maybe in a couple months, we'll find out exactly what it is when they unveil it. So I hope everyone's doing good out there. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. And again, I always appreciate all the comments I'm getting. I really do. And I look forward to it. It's a really fun thing we have going here. So please keep it up, and I will talk to you guys later.